Red alert, emergency. Yeah man, highest reading we ever have on the croco scale. People, them say we have an invasion of crocs coming up. Boy. Them thing you know, normal, you know, you have to wonder as much development and them thing as are going in the country. Where crocodile find place for a breed up on them thing there. You know, but I could look on it on TVJ a show and it was very interesting to me because apart from Portmore, I hardly hear about them thing, you know.
With more encounters between humans and crocodiles expected because of climate change, the regulator, the National Environment and Planning Agency, is planning public awareness campaigns. This even as a baby crocodile was captured on a sidewalk on Tuesday. Giovanni Dennis has a conclusion of crocodiles and climate.
This happened yesterday, Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Damian White is trained to catch crocodiles and relocate them. He did just that in this instance.
Black Steve Irwin was still alive. Yeah, man, it's a great thing.
All right. Scenes like these are getting more common. Sightings and physical encounters between humans and crocodiles. Why? Because of climate change factors like the extreme heat in Jamaica. A study at Australia's University of Queensland found acute increases in water temperature resulted in significantly shorter crocodile dives. Their dives are necessary to avoid interactions with humans.
What does that mean? They use up oxygen more and people will see them, and we know like right now we have a crocodile problem where people are catching them.
What does that mean? That mean if them come out of the water, out of the deep water, we need to come out of all water. That's what it means.
A related second factor, drought. Floyd Green, Jamaica's agriculture minister, said the country experienced its worst drought on record between 2022 and 2023. But it wasn't just farmers who lost millions. Crocodiles were also affected and will continue to be.
Drought time, we're going to have conflicts because some of the areas are overfished. 1. 2, the area is constricted because the crocodile needs water. So when the water level is going to move over to these areas. And we're going to be having a lot of conversation like this.
So the crocodile, them short of water and fish because we are fish out all of the fish out of the sea for the natural predator them eat. So them go, you know, turn to ways like the crocodile listen bounty killer and I say, anytime we hungry again, them go say we 9. Yeah man, well, see we teeth. Yeah, so we're upon red alert.
Some of these animals are going to displace from their normal area where they're living. And how I put this in? Portmore is a perfect example. After the rains, NEPA and some of the other environmental professionals have to put out information that look out for crocodile because they get displaced.
Portmore, crocodile them do it with the insure. Well, and I know we know say Portmore have a serious problem with them, but island-wide problem now. That's the problem. Them Portmore people don't know how to deal with them, you know. Yeah man, and them neighbor them.
What biggest one you ever see?
Would say about
Bigger than you?
More than that, man, yeah, man. Bigger and long, man, boy. 15 feet or so.
They've been fishing here for decades and are used to seeing the crocs.
They're really scared now, because true enough how we are fishing. So anytime they see we, you know, so they take out themselves.
Boy, if you love nor money, me not promise nobody say, me I go turn up a catch fish somewhere. For how much years I say? For not even 1 year, but them look like them do it them whole life.
They're prepared for the increased encounters.
We know enough people are afraid. But we as a fisherman, we're not really afraid.
We're not afraid.
Yeah, man. We go out and there sign to catch fish. Yeah, man.
Because we know how we can navigate.
Yeah. One hour we not stay one place. Yeah, man. I'll cheer with the one part.
15 foot of crack. I wonder if him right. Yeah, man. You must teach you about the crop badness. You have to group up in your gang. You can't go out there by your lonesome. Yeah, man. It's a dangerous thing the man them talk about, you know, but you don't know mankind survive in all type of ways. And this is one of them.
The crocodiles found in Jamaica are among the most docile, if not the most docile in the world. A lot of persons have a fear of them, that they will attack them, try to kill them, try to eat them. They don't want anything to do with us, and they will try to avoid us as much as possible.
Docile. People take my word for it. Don't trust a brother there. Docile. Nothing no name docile wildlife, man. Some of them know how to operate, so because them see people all the time, they might not do a thing. But then we attack you for you one out there. Yeah, man, you think you can send your picnic out a crocodile bush? I talk about docile. No, people. No docile, no, you know. Crocodile and snake and lion and worse, take out lion and just go reptile them, cold-blooded animal them. No docile, no, you know them. And I used to grow pet snakes, as weird as it sounds. I used to have to buy a rat to give them. And them not eating a dead rat. You have to give them alive. I mean, know about them animals there. You could have grown them from your born and from them born. And you grew up with them. Then we eat if they get a chance. I would say many instances of that with wildlife. No docile, no, in it. Hunt of them, you know, them animals, you know, get fed, you know, them go hunt food, you know, them for docile and hunt food. And a scavenger, them will go eat leftover. I hunt them hunt food. No docile people.
NEPA continues to warn residents not to try catching crocs if seen, but call the agency at 876-754-7540 or toll free at 888-991-5005.
People, what do you think? When you think NEPA have a contract with Mr. Chin? Why do you think people are trying to catch them? Mr. Chin, I give money for them. Yeah, man, good money too. When I give a price, you can't quote me on it. But I've been given prices. You know, seriousness. They do a project, you know, once in Bagwalk, and while being on that project, that is one of the things that did come up, you know. Some of the fishermen, them, they look crocodile and some other little things, you know. What I try to remember. I can't even tell you how them things there, to be honest. But that's some water creature, crayfish and them things there. Them they pay a whole heap of money. But me and say the crocodile tail that them pay the most money for. And of course we grew up here, the Indian people them I catch it. Not just Indian people, you have some black people too in a certain parts too. But, you know, it's a select few. I used to have a friend where he used to keep it in a fridge sometime, you know, alligator tail. Or crocodile tail. Sometimes I mix them up. But yeah, people, thanks for watching, you know. I'm going on a different space of talking now. Yeah, man, thanks for Yeah, man. Thanks for watching and keep yourself safe, you know. Remember to give you a like and a subscribe and a share, comment. Click on one of the next video. One love.